Hello everyone. Hello, good morning everyone. Today is 25 November of 2021 year. We show you we have more than 100 pieces consists of high-speed Kn95. We have more than 100 pieces of the Kn95. This machine is full stock. Some new machines want to deliver to Vietnam more than 30 units, but this is full stock. If you want to buy the high-speed Kn95 mask making machine, we can make reliably within 2 days. And for the cutting, drawing of Kn95 mask, we can spare design Ffp2 Kn95 and Ffp2 Kn95. Okay, I show you. This is our stock. This is all stock. All stock. We can make reliably within 2 days. The machine, the high-speed Kn95 machine, is controlled by 21 servo motor and 4 antisonic for the year of welding. The standard speed can reach 100 pieces per minute. If you want to special design for some design for the mask, we can make it for the drawing within finish the drawing within 3 days and make reliably within 2 days. Total, we need 5 days. We can make reliably. The max delivery time is 5 days. If you want to reduce and reliably immediately, we can limit it. We can make it make reliably within 2 days. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for your choose. See our factory for the Kn95. Okay. Thank you. Thank you.